I can see why these fridges are now so popular in the campervan scene, is because they're super efficient. I've been running this for an hour now using my FuzzyBot power station, and it's only used 1% of the battery, and it bounces between 15 and 25 watts. Very quiet, and then every now and then it just shuts off to conserve even more energy. Just had it delivered, just got a couple of drinks in there. I'm going to leave that run overnight. I'll be very interested to see what percentage of the power will be used.